Good morning, everybody. It is your friend CryptoFace, and I hope you can tell something's a little different. We have a lot to go, well, I don't know about a lot, but we have a good few things to go over in this video. Yes, we're doing a video. I think I may have fixed my quiet microphone issue. I found a setting, long story short, did a little digging, found a setting, turned it up, and I think we may have fixed it. Anyways, boy, I tell you what, it's been a pretty good last 5 days for us and our community and our trades. And previously on our last stream last night, or maybe the night before, throughout the stream, this is the actual local bot. Wow, you can't even hear it. Jeez, my microphone is super quiet. Anyways, last night on the stream, the probabilities when we were down here at this spider line was that, yeah, maybe we have one more overall, one more little, let me go to a clear chart. It's a little better. So at the end of that video, what that video said, or on the stream, what I said was we are at this local bottom, right? It wicked down, and we came down to the wick pretty close to this one here. And there is room for one more little circle, one more little circumference. This is Bitcoin, so what was that? That's 32. With the bull strength being so weak, I wouldn't be surprised if it didn't even get to halfway. If, you know, even it's less than this. On ETH, I was thinking around 2,000 is how basically it looked. And yeah, closed the short. Got some sleep, hung out with the girl, and did not long it. And there is something I want to say about our Discord community, the Market Cipher Discord. We have new people coming in every day, a lot of people overall. And you know, when I see there's a reason why I talk about the book, If You Give a Mouse a Cookie, and If You Give a Moose a Muffin. And if you don't know it, I highly recommend both of them. Terrific books. If you give a mouse a cookie, he's going to ask for a glass of milk. And when you give him a glass of milk, he's going to ask you to tuck him in when he goes to sleep. And when you tuck him in, he wants you to fluff his pillow. When you fluff his pillow, he wants a bedtime story. And it's not how most of our community is. And it can happen to all of us. But signals and my opinions, my trades, are not a part of Market Cipher Discord. When I do it, it's because I want to help. And when I see things like, oh, CryptoFace didn't long, and he said not to long, and so I didn't long, and I missed out on the opportunity. Oh, ha 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 ha. And when you don't see the timestamps, you know, people were trying to long. When I said that, people were, it was all going through this. People trying to catch knives all the way down. That's when I said that. And by the end of the stream, when we were at the spider line, that is when I said, it's probably going to go up and make one more circle. That's what I believe the highest probability is. That's why I've been taking profits, why I took profits. And it just comes off, and it doesn't matter how tiptoe you try to say it, no matter how many little smiley faces and whoops, oh that's too bad, CryptoFace didn't long, and he said I shouldn't long, and so I didn't, and oh, I missed out. That shit don't fly. I don't like it. And it's lukewarm. And so and it makes me feel like you're ungrateful, you know? And I'm not saying that like from you're ungrateful of me. But you know, I put my all into this in so many ways. I show so much of my entries and exits and my thoughts, and you know, my positions for the last 5-6 days, I'm not gonna live stream for 120 hours straight and give you every single little detail and give you every single little move, hand feeding you, spoon feeding you. So, you know. Next subject. I'll say one last thing on it. My whole life, no matter what situation, no matter how bad the situation I was in, I've always blamed myself. Not a friend or, oh, this guy got me in trouble. I always blame myself for me putting myself in that situation, whatever situation. And the trade-off is when you're in a good situation, you have a good trade or a good whatever, a good life or a good girlfriend, you also get to blame yourself. So don't try to use me or anyone else or anything else, no matter how many emojis or tiptoes you try to make, for your own shit. Spent a lot of time on that. Anyways, a couple things we got to talk about. Price action, how I'm looking to trade this right now, and a major addition to every single person that has Market Cipher and will have Market Cipher in the future. And if you don't know about it, can't wait for you to find out about it. Let's talk about price action. We're on the hourly, taking a look at these beautiful spider lines. And let's zoom out at these beautiful spider lines first. Let's actually go to the weekly so you can see where they started and what these are. These are on Heikin log weekly candles, starting at the close of these candles, laying on top of this pendulum. This is how I have guided myself through uncharted territory, over 20K, up and down. They are trend lines, and they've worked for me and many others. Look at this. Look at it, my lord. Bing, bing, bing. Anyways, look at this. I mean, bing, bing, Ding, 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 ding. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? These never cease to amaze me. So anyways, I am looking to start entering little shorts. With the market opening, and it's looking like, you know, the market, standard market's gonna be a little bullish today. And so I'm looking for maybe a couple candles over this spider line in the 31,600s to start dropping in some entries. Got a little VWAP coming up here. So I'm waiting to see. I think there's going to be at least some more wicks and maybe some closes up here that I'm going to try to pounce on some little entries. I'm sure a couple people are going to be talking about this head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. And if this doesn't hold, you know, maybe if this ain't resistance, this can be. Gonna use, you know, like I said, I'm not gonna be going super crazy. I'm just gonna be looking to start my position and get some good cushion for a future downfall. And I do believe there is going to be future downfall. Look at the past. We saw this move coming. So gonna be patient, not gonna go too crazy. That's what I'm looking at right now. I'm looking to start entering some shorts, safe ones, and seeing if we can eventually, maybe in a day or two, when price starts to go down, if price starts to go down, have some nice top short entries to start maybe another 4, 5, 6 day gravy train with the milkmaid. Now, market Cipher. Big, awesome, kick butt addition to the market Cipher community. The new risk calculator, and it's embedded or embedded, either way, it's embedded. You log into your account and you have it. Now, what you're going to want to do is go to the tutorial section, and I gotta tell my guys to bump the video up, since we have to watch the risk calculator video, or I'll put this link in the description. Flop and Groper, my right hand man, my brother, my COO, my vice president, chairman, made this video going over it all, and he even does a live trade using it. It knocks it out of the park, and he did the whole thing in one cut in like 2 hours. It wasn't a trade where he made 8 different trades and picked one that worked. As we are seeing increased volatility, now that we are seeing downward price action, this is the perfect time to check yourself with some risk calculation. And it's an awesome tool, really simple. So make sure you check it out, play around with it, and I think you like it. A lot of work went into it. So we're excited to bring it to you. Let's take a look at the larger time frames. Okay, my brother's still talking in my ear. I hear you, Sid. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, you know what else is funny too is yeah, when CNBC came out saying 30K, you know, we went down 30K. I was like, is the price gonna go up the next day? You know, and it did. So that's funny. So that's another thing. With CNBC comes out and says something, the next day it's probably gonna be different, or 2 days after, at least day and a half. Yeah, I mean, listen, I still, this little move upwards of, $1,500 has not changed my mind. I still believe we have significant, downfall. And, you know, to the people on Twitter, I went out on Twitter again. I haven't been on Twitter at all lately, and I did a little tweet, a little sarcastic, fun tweet, saying what I say. I said maybe, you know, ETH can go to 2,000, right? I think ETH can go to 2,000 before we go to Rec City, and then and I said, all right, maybe we go to new all-time highs, and I lose the bet to BitBoy, and it's a bet I wouldn't mind losing, is what I said. And my lord, there was a couple pencil necks that started, but you said 13K and it didn't happen. Jeez, you know, I can't. It's when it. I didn't say 13K was going to happen in one day, for Pete's sake. Man, some people hear what they want to hear. It's crazy, man. These people, they like, it's, and you know, it's crazy, man. It's just crazy. Words cannot describe the blindness and deaf. They're everything but mute. It's like, you're blind, deaf, dumb. How come you're not how come you're not a mute so you don't have to plague us with your garbage spew? Anyways, this is ETH. Let's take a look at ETH. It is in the green. Definitely high up on the momentum. Money flow is coming up. Spent a lot of time in the red. In these sell-offs, it does not spend that much time in the green. So I'm also looking to sprinkle some short entries on ETH. I think we got some time though. Yeah, I'm gonna sprinkle a little. I'm starting to sprinkle. I'm gonna sprinkle a couple hundred thou wow on ETH and Bitcoin short. Ooh, Bitcoin making a move. Okay. Yep. Okay. So markets just opened, I believe, as I'm recording this, or no? Did they open an hour ago? Okay. Yeah. She can come up over a little bit, and come right back down to this spider line. Not rushing it, but yeah, I think I'm gonna enter right now. I think I'm gonna sprinkle that entry 31.7. Yeah, I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna do that. Couple 100,000, nothing crazy. There are signs, there's a couple signs that it can continue more. But my mind ain't changed. This one move ain't changing my mind. And we spent a lot of time under 30K. Relatively speaking. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking to start some cushion. I'm looking to short. But doing it safely. And having a good time. So, be cool. Don't be a fool. And thanks for watching. See you guys later. Hope I didn't forget anything I wanted to say. MarketCipherTrading.com. Yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay.